Hi everyone, so I'm so glad I'm back again. So I got this product this morning. It's an Auperwel hair removal. So let's see what's inside this box. So first of all, this is Auperwel trademark. It says here, your beauty we care. So with the box itself, it says outside what's it. So it has the adjustable temp switch, the removable 500 ml pot, the semi-transparent cover, and the 3-pin safe plug. So we'll see what's inside, okay? So I believe, okay, it comes with a manual. And this is the hard box beads. Okay. And I believe this is the applicator. So this is the box heater. Looks very neat. And I have more hard box beads here. So it comes with a purple, blue, black, and brownish. So the box has some instruction outside. So it says here, usage of box heater. It's on the side. So it says here we have to set it on 185 degrees. It usually takes about 15 to 25 minutes before the hard box melts. So let's try the purple one because this is what I usually see on the other videos that's been trending around. Oh, I'm so excited with this. Doesn't smell anything. Or not. Oh, looks neat. Okay, just wanna make sure, just wanna remind everyone, this is only for professional use only. And what I'm trying to do is showing the video how it works here, but just wanna remind everyone that this is only for professional use only. Well, I'll be back within 15 to 20 minutes after everything, all this wax been melted. So hi, we're finally back. So now the box is totally all melted. As you can see, this is the consistency. So right now, the temperature of the wax is all the way to 185 degrees. So it says in the instruction here that we have to put the temperature in between 110 to 125 degrees. It depends on us. So let's put it in between 110 to 125 and wait 1 to 2 minutes until you're ready to use it. So everyone, I would like to recommend to do a pat test on at your wrist, so to make sure the real temperature of the wax, if you're going to be comfortable on the temperature of the wax. So try this. It's still hot. So my final thoughts about this product is it's very conventional because you can use it, at home and on your free time. But I always suggest this is only for professional use only. But what I felt after using this is it's very clean. Like right after you remove the wax up on your body, it's really painless. That's what I really like about this, and I'm so excited to use this on the days that will come when my hair grows more, because I can totally use this product more, like in a much better way. So guys, it's a must-use product. So don't forget Auperwel. It's for your hair care system.